subscribe to our channel.
7 Remedies for controlling lupus. Lupus creates antibodies that overstimulate B lymphocytes, a type of white blood cells. Along with the treatments prescribed by your doctor, you can try these home remedies. 1. Massages. A great remedy is getting massages. This is one of the oldest, most popular ways of fighting lupus. This is because they help you to detoxify your body, reduce your stress level, increase your metabolic efficiency, reduce inflammation. Massages are a good option to treat this problem in the long run. It's enough to get a weekly massage, but be sure to get it done by a specialist. It may be more expensive. However, the benefits will be more apparent from day one. You can also rest assured that you can tell your masseuse how they can be a part of your treatment. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has large amounts of omega-9. This kind of fat is ideal for controlling or reducing inflammation. Inflammation is one of the key symptoms of lupus. Olive oil also gives us a large amount of phytonutrients. These protect our bodies from the effects of chronic illnesses. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Lupus can reduce the amount of stomach acid your body produces. This is one of its secondary effects. The change can be reduced with apple cider vinegar. After all, apple cider vinegar is one of the best stimulants for the production of stomach acid. Keeping a balance is important. On the other hand, this vinegar also gives us great detoxifying properties. You have a variety of options for including apple cider vinegar in your diet. The first is as a dressing for your salads. You can also make natural pickles with several foods. 4. Basil. The plant-based remedies are among the favorites for treating chronic illnesses. When talking about lupus, basil is one of the first you should consider. This herb aids your body in adapting to stress and enzyme imbalances. This is thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Use purple basil to give your foods more flavor. Enjoy the health benefits it gives you at the same time. 5. Probiotics. Keeping good stomach health is of the greatest importance in fighting lupus. It is common for people suffering from lupus to have nutrient deficiencies. Because of this, it is very important to make sure you are absorbing the nutrients you need. Building a base of healthy bacteria in your intestines is helpful. This can prevent some inflammation. This makes cytokines spread throughout your body. 6. Coconut oil. Adding coconut oil to your diet has many benefits. Among them, it balances your immune system, increases your digestion, controls your cholesterol, and reduces the frequency of flare-ups. One thing you can do is alternate between using coconut and olive oils. We understand that we are all more used to olive oil. But, it will only take a few days to get used to the flavor of coconut oil. 7. Ginger. Ginger is usually eaten by people who have joint pain or arthritis. The same characteristics that make it good for those pains make it good for lupus. One of the first and most frequent symptoms of lupus is swelling or inflammation. This is paired with joint pain. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.